I tēnei hōtaka ka aro atu ki ngā mahi whakariterite, a ka kōrero atu ki ētahi o ngā kaimahi. In this episode, we look at the background planning and spend time with some of the volunteers.
I was appointed by the Waitaha Cultural Council as the volunteer manager, and so I now coordinate teams, 16 teams of managers. We have well in excess of 450 volunteers, and now it's about managing those and the ever-growing numbers of people who now are providing more volunteers to do different jobs. The area I'm looking after is the whānau area. So within the whānau area we have indoor activities happening as well as outdoor activities happening. We have 50 volunteers from Kohanga Reo that will be manning that area, being able to provide fruit constantly. We also have an area, Manaaki Mokopuna, where mums, dads, nannies can come and feed their babies. We want to make sure that when the whānau come to Christchurch, or the motu come to Christchurch, that we manaaki them in a way to say thank you for everything that they did for us during the earthquakes at a time of need.
I'm in charge of the health village, so we've got University of Otago. They're providing free health checks with qualified Maori clinicians. We've got Icicles who are providing free bikes for people to, and helmets and locks and maps for them to bike around Christchurch if they want to. And there's a All Right campaign which is saying how wellbeing is linked to kapahaka and kapahaka is linked to wellbeing.
I'm responsible for coordinating 18 artist projects for Te Matatini. It's everything from works that are, well, they're all contemporary, but there's a lot that call upon our history of our ancestors, and that runs pretty consistently through, really. There's work in various material, from working with flax, the stem of the harakeke, through to vinyl printing and sculpture, freestanding sculpture and shade tails and things.
The area that I am taking care of is the kai, really the catering of the kai that is going to be provided for by the different runanga and the different areas, so Ngāi Tahu seafoods, Ngāi Tahu farms, and bringing that together, organising it in such a way that we have caterers that are proficient in what they do and understand exactly what Waitaha Cultural Council require for this event, because obviously it's our mana on the line, and so we want to make sure that it's done to a professional standard and people are going to go away not forgetting this event. As a whole, we're taking care of the volunteers. 450 volunteers are going to be fed over 4 to 5 days. There will also be, there's also the VIP tent and the chairman's tent. So the VIP tent is going to be catering for 450 people over 4 to 5 days. As well, we have 50 people in the chairman's tent, again the same time frame. We also have a kaumatua tent that we'll be taking care of, and that will be approximately 300 kaumatua over 4 to 5 days over the duration of the festival. This will be the first time ever that I'm aware of in the history of Te Matatini, the festival itself, that a hakari will be provided for to the manuhiri that are coming in. So that's actually 5,000 people that are going to be fed once the pōwhiri process has finished or is completed. When they come through, they will be given kai.
Tono a hau e raki, he takatane, koia, I haramai ai ka me mai, e hea nau ko koe hei takata whakahaere tō tātou pōwhiri, e rātu a huatanga. One of the driving intents, for example, of Raki Ehias was that we would be standing humbly and with gratitude in being mindful of the support that we here received from all our northern iwi and others at the time of the earthquake.
Te raki iha Tahu. He was the one who called for me to come and work alongside Piri to prepare our people for the up and coming pōwhiri for Te Matatini. That kaupapa has been put into process so that we can work with our people so that they're able to learn the waiata kinaki me etahi o ngā waiata whakangāhau mō te pōwhiri. The easiest way to be able to get all of the waiata out to our people is to develop this booklet along with CDs and USB sticks. So we've got whānau all over the world, Australia, they're all learning them so that when they come home, that they can be part of the welcome. But I guess in a sense that these waiata are not only for Te Matatini, they're ongoing, so that when Ngāi Tahu come together, we can all sing as a mess.